What did space have in store for Europe this month? This May, SMILE launched aboard a Vega C rocket from Europe Spaceport in French Guiana. The first signal was received in Australia, followed moments later by solar panel deployment, confirming a fully successful launch. SMILE will begin a new era of space weather science, studying solar storms and Earth's invisible magnetic shield. Back on Earth, agreements were signed in Berlin. Together, Europe and Japan are advancing international efforts to help protect our planet. First up, Ramses, launching in 2028 to meet asteroid Apophis ahead of its spectacular flyby of Earth in 2029. Ramses will study the asteroid up close. ESA also tracked a newly discovered asteroid which made a close pass by Earth. Asteroid 2026 JAXA, about the size of a blue whale, travelled at more than 31,000 km per hour. It passed within a quarter of the Earth-Moon distance, but posed no threat. Looking deeper into space, sightings from the James Webb and Hubble space telescopes are changing the way we understand our universe. In 4 nearby galaxies, scientists followed clusters emerge from their gas and dust. The results show that most massive clusters break free more quickly, helping drive the evolution of galaxies and planet formation. The Exomars landing system was put through extreme drop tests in Italy. A full-scale model was tested on a tilted sled to simulate worst-case Mars landing conditions. The system withstood all impacts, confirming its stability for future missions. Inside ESA's cleanroom, a giant parachute was sterilised. The 35-metre Exomars parachute was heat-treated in a specialised oven in the Netherlands to remove any Earth microbes before launch. It must be 10,000 times cleaner than a smartphone, ensuring no Earth life is carried to the red planet. ESA stepped into the world of video games. In partnership with studio Don't Nod, the new sci-fi adventure Aphelion puts players in the role of ESA astronauts exploring a mysterious planet at the edge of the solar system. Developed with input from ESA scientists, engineers and astronauts, the game brings authentic space exploration to a whole new audience. Up above, aboard the ISS, as Earth passed through debris from Comet Thatcher, ESA astronaut Sophie Adenot captured rare shooting stars on camera from orbit. Sophie worked in a sealed lab, handling delicate stem cell samples in microgravity, supporting research for better treatments of blood diseases and cancer on Earth and in space. She also tested turning ISS water into medical-grade 4 fluids, helping future missions reduce resupply needs and medical waste on long-duration flights. Sophie Adenot joined a live call from space. Speaking with media representatives, she shared insights into life and research in orbit. From the cupola, Earth glows at night. Sophie captured a time-lapse of brightly lit cities and moving ship lights. And finally, ESA's Astronaut Reserve has completed its Astronaut Reserve Training program. Since 2024, reserve astronauts have trained at ESA's training facilities, developing technical, operational and scientific skills. Now fully trained, they stand ready to support future European space missions when called upon. And that's a wrap for this month at ESA. Stay tuned for next month's updates.